this. Good morning. I'm doing the coleslaw this morning. Carrots on a cheese grater. To have a thin result. The cheese grater works pretty well for that. Chop onions, finely chopped onions. Maybe you want to come closer. I think can I do it with a knife? There we go. Now we go with the cabbage on the mandolin, thin. We use handrail protection if need to, but with a big piece like that, I'm pretty good. Oop. So that's the result. Mix together. So white. That'd be enough for 2 people for the lunch. Parsley, bit of lemon juice, bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, one spoon of mayonnaise, and I got all the ingredients in. Here we are, a quick coleslaw to go with the salad for the lunch. Bon appétit!